let's learn how you can view Google Maps Street Views and explore the past easily. So we will show you this tutorial on desktop, but you can follow up even with your phone if you want. Now let's open our browser. I will use Google Chrome for this tutorial, but you can use anything. In Google search, we will type Google Maps and just click on first one that appears here. Let me just translate the. Now on search Google Maps, you will search location and map you want to visit. For example, I will visit Los Angeles. And now it will show us Los Angeles map and city. Now to enter the street view, you will just have to drag and hold this little guy here and select somewhere that is blue. For example, I will drop him here. And as you can see, we entered the street mode, and now we can control it and go everywhere on our keyboard and our phone or our mouse. Now, if you want to go back in the past, you will see this. For example, this is November 2022. We will just have to click on this button that says show more details. It's blue, and as you can see here, it will appear a lot of pictures that were taken back in time. For example, this is 2018, 2016, 2015. We can go anywhere to December 2008. As you can see, it now shows how the time was back in 28. That's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.